Hello, I'm Nate. Here with me, this is a smart vending locker. This part is the locker section. Each locker dimension can be customized based on your product. And this machine is from Pendle Racket. And this part is the control part. This one is a 22-inch touch screen. And here is the payment device. When an end customer comes close to the machine, the first thing they will see is there is the advertisement video on the screen. And when they click the screen, and if they will enter into this buying page, in the buying page still there are part screen can upload advertisement. It can be picture or video. And then I will show you how the end customer buys on this machine. They just need to click the product picture, and they can buy multiple products in one time. Insert the money. Pay. And the locker card open. Now we can take it. Then on the machine screen, it will show sold out on these two products. So end customer will not be able to buy again from this locker section. Then I will show you how the operator replenish. Operator need to log in our backend server. No application required, it's just a web server. Click replenish. Select machine. We can see the first two products is just stock out, so we just click fill up. And replenish done. The operator can even remotely check the real-time data, for example, the inventory, the sales data from their mobile phone. And when the nights come, to save the energy, operator can remotely turn off the LED lighting and the screen. Let me show you how to do it. Log into our server, click Energy, select the machine, Screen Sound Control. Now we want to switch off the screen. Save. The machine will be off. Another important feature is that we can upload video or picture advertisement to our server. Imagine that if you have a lot of machines in the field, and some brand company may want to pay you to play their advertisement, it will be an extra income for vending machine. If you are interested in the smart vending locker, please contact us for more information. Thank you.